Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to copy YouTube comments. If you want to know how to solve this problem, just follow me step by step. First, when you go to YouTube, sometimes you watch any video, for example, this video here, and this video have comments here. And for example, if you want to copy any comments in that page, you cannot do that. As you see, whenever you try, you cannot copy the comments. Even if you click here in these three dots, you will find just share, report, or save. So there is no way to copy these comments. So to solve this problem, you will click here on this sign of share. Then in this window, you will click on copy link. After that, you will log out here from YouTube. You will go to another website, or you can just go to Google Chrome. Here in this page of Google Chrome, you will copy the link you see, and you will click go. And here in this page, you will have the link that you copy. Then we go to the comments, as you see, for this video on YouTube. And after that, you can choose the comments that you want to copy. And here, for example, you can click like this, in that way, to copy this comments of YouTube video, as you see. And then we click here on copy, you will find it in English. So that's it. That's how you can copy YouTube comments in easy way. So if you enjoy the video, and if this video or tutorial help you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.